Hi, Dennis Driesen here with Autowash. Here to talk to you guys today about Stamina, how it works, and some of the ins and outs of the Stamina products. Stamina is a true ceramic coating. It is a sprayable ceramic coating that is actually going to provide a glass coating for semi-permanent protection on your vehicle. With a lot of products that are out there today, there's products like F11 and Atom Ceramics and stuff like that. And all those products are really built and designed to be really no more than a superior shine. They call it a ceramic, but there's a lot of companies out there being really aggressive with and loose with the use of the word ceramic, and they don't really do what they say they're going to do. We wanted to go out and give you guys a product that is a true sprayable ceramic coating, and we're going to show you how that works in just a second. And so what happens on ceramic coating is that you have an SiO2 silicon dioxide. When that meets oxygen, that creates the hard shell. Okay, so it's a chemical process or reaction time that we need to wait and make sure it happens, and that's what actually provides that long-term protection. If the product's not flashing, which I'm going to show you here in a second, then it's not going to last. And so what we're really trying to do is provide a car with true protection. You got products that say that they clean and shine at the same time. Not going to work, because that's not how chemistry works. Okay, we really want to show you how the Stamina works, because that's going to be the maximum protection for a vehicle. Where we've got our wet wax, which is a sealant that's going to last about 3 months. We've got our superior shine, which is your speed detailer and provides some protection as well. The Stamina product is your sprayable ceramic coating that's going to last a lot longer. So when we're applying the Stamina product, the first thing we want to do is we want to make sure that the vehicle surface is actually clean. Now we've got the other videos that talks about the essential eraser and the complete clean, and so you want to make sure that you use the essential eraser and the complete clean. And ideally, before you apply the Stamina product, you actually really get in and make sure that the surface of the paint is really truly clean. You want to clay it first. And once you've done that and you've gotten it clean, so you can wash it, optimal, ideal is that you actually make sure you use the complete clean and completely decontaminate the surface. And then we can go about applying the Stamina product. And the Stamina product is really an easy step. So step one, make sure the car is clean. But step two, we're going to spray it on the car, and then we're going to use the fluffy purple towel to spread it evenly across the vehicle surface. But then we have to wait and let it flash. And then step three, take the white towel and buff it off. Okay. Now, when you get a Stamina kit, it comes with all of these here, the bottle and the 2 towels. And that's where we sell the Stamina kit that way. Well, let's take a look and see over here on this car how we actually use Stamina and how it's going to flash. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to spray down a little 2 foot by 2 foot section. The hood's already been prepped, so we know it's already been clayed and corrected. So now we're going to take our purple towel, and we're just going to take this purple towel and we're going to spread the product around. Okay. And we're going to go in a hashtag to make sure we have even coverage across the entire hood and the section that we're working on. And now we're going to wait. Most important part for your customers and for your clients as you're showing them how this product works is to wait and make sure it actually flashes. And so you can see that on the camera as it's disappearing, it's flashing and bonding to the paint, changing its texture. And we're going to wait for that to get gone, essentially. And this is the flashing process. And whether it's a professional ceramic coating that we're using, like a 3-year or a 7-year that's ultra hard, we wait for the same process. We're going to wait for it to flash, and then we buff it off. Okay. Fortunately, with Stamina, it's consumer safe, so you don't have to worry about messing up your car. If you don't do this right, you can't mess it up. Okay. You might wipe it off a little bit too fast, and then you don't get as long a protection. We want you to really wait on there and make sure. Now you can see that it's totally flashed on the car, and now it's ready for us to buff it off. So now we take our super plush white towel, and we're just going to buff that off. Really easy. Not having to work hard. I'm not breaking a sweat here. The idea is that the products work really well for you, and let them do the work so that you don't have to. And just like that, with almost no effort at all, we've applied the ceramic coating that's going to provide about 6 months. Now on our car, we've got a car that's been coated for 8 months. It's still going strong. This is going to last at least 6 months. We would recommend that you apply it every 3 months to really maximize the protection and build up layers on layer. One of the neat things about Stamina is that because it's silicon dioxide, nothing sticks to silicone but silicone. And so with the Stamina product, it's actually a buildable product. So you can apply layer after layer after layer and get more protection on your car. Okay. Super, super easy to use, super great protection, smells awesome too. So we're here for you guys. If you have any questions, hit us up. But thank you for watching. Thanks for tuning in. Autowash, because you love your car.